Fed up with washed-out colors and tiny details holding back your creativity? Imagine a display that brings every pixel to life with breathtaking accuracy and immersive clarity. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 monitors for photo editing that deliver pro-level color fidelity, advanced connectivity, ergonomic design to fuel your artistry. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have ASUS ProArt PA279CRV, the best budget photo editing monitor. Searching for the best budget photo editing monitor? Check out the ASUS ProArt PA279CRV. This monitor stands out with stunning color accuracy thanks to its impressive 99% Adobe RGB and 99% DCI-P3 coverage. You'll appreciate how vibrant your images look, making it perfect for editing photos. With its 27-inch IPS screen and full 4K resolution, expect crisp images and excellent detail. Plus, the 400 nits luminance ensures that even bright scenes remain vivid. This monitor feels like a pro-level pick, yet it comes at an accessible price point. USB-C connectivity is a major plus too, offering 96-watt power delivery and daisy chaining. You can connect multiple devices easily without clutter. While some compromises exist, they're not deal breakers. The contrast ratio sits at 100:1, which is decent but not spectacular. Basic Display HDR 400 certification may limit HDR capabilities, but this model still delivers solid performance in everyday use. What I love most about the PA279CRV is how user-friendly it is right out of the box. There's minimal setup required to achieve great results, and the extensive calibration options allow for fine-tuning if you want it. If you're searching for a value-packed monitor that excels in color accuracy and versatility, this is an excellent choice. Longing for pro-level precision and vibrant color? Wait until you see the immersive curve of our next pick. At number 4, we have ViewSonic ColorPro VP2706 the best monitor for photo editing for 4K. If you're serious about photo editing, the ViewSonic ColorPro VP2706 deserves your attention. This monitor impresses with its stunning 100% Rec 709 and 98% DCI-P3 color space coverage. It offers a super sharp 4K resolution that elevates your editing experience. One of the standout features is the ColorPro wheel remote controller. It grants you quick and precise control over color adjustments, enhancing your editing efficiency. Another great addition is the rear-facing backlight, which helps reduce eye strain during long working sessions. Feel your eyes relax as the monitor provides a comfortable viewing experience. During testing, I appreciated its superb image quality. The color accuracy exceeded expectations, slightly outperforming advertised specs. In terms of brightness and color uniformity, the monitor might not lead the pack, but it's hardly noticeable in day-to-day use. An included shading hood adds extra value, usually reserved for pricier models. You can focus on your work without distractions from ambient light. This thoughtful detail showcases ViewSonic's commitment to providing value for content creators. While brightness could improve, it rarely hinders the overall experience. This monitor caters to video editors who expect authentic color reproduction and sharp detail. Ready to dial in perfect hues with a tactile controller? The next monitor puts color mastery at your fingertips. Still searching for the perfect monitor for photo editing? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Dell UltraSharp 40 curved U4001QW, the best curved monitor for photo editing. Meet the Dell UltraSharp 40 curved U4001QW, a game changer for photo editing enthusiasts. This 40-inch monitor offers a stunning 5120 by 2160 resolution that brings your images to life. You'll appreciate the 2500R screen curvature, wrapping your visuals in a way that enhances immersion and comfort. Unlike many other curved monitors, the U421QW boasts a 10-bit IPS-LCD panel. This technology provides excellent color accuracy, making it ideal for editing photos where precision matters. Wide viewing angles of 178 degrees ensure that colors remain consistent, even when viewed from the side. You'll notice that your images look vibrant and true to life, capturing every detail accurately. The massive 21:9 aspect ratio allows for seamless multitasking. Imagine editing while simultaneously referencing other images or software on the side. It's a productivity boost you won't want to miss. While the size and curvature create a fantastic experience, the monitor may require a bit of desk space. However, the payoff in editing quality makes it worthwhile. Also, some may find the viewing distance a shift from traditional monitors. But once you adjust, you'll appreciate the increased field of view. What stands out most is how engaging the display becomes, immersing you completely in your work. Craving expansive screen real estate for seamless multitasking? You won't believe the workspace our next model unlocks. At number 2, we have Apple Pro Display XDR, the best monitor for photo editing on a Mac. Ready to elevate your photo editing experience? Meet the Apple Pro Display XDR. This monitor stands out with its stunning color accuracy and exceptional build quality. Unlike standard displays, it maintains top-tier performance, making it a favorite among professionals. One major advantage includes impressive brightness levels. You can seamlessly work in bright environments without losing color fidelity. This feature is vital for photo editing, as it allows for accurate adjustments. Additionally, its wide color gamut covers nearly 100% of P3, providing vibrant and true-to-life visuals. You'll appreciate how images pop, bringing your creative vision to life. Another highlight is its advanced HDR capabilities. With up to 1,600 nits of peak brightness, your photos will look strikingly real. You'll notice an enhanced depth that many models simply can't match. While most monitors struggle with detail and highlights and shadows, this display handles both beautifully. What truly impresses is the build quality. Crafted with precision, it not only looks stunning, but feels solid. You'll find yourself enjoying tasks longer without fatigue because the display's design minimizes glare and reflections. On the flip side, the Pro stand can feel like a separate investment. However, the flexibility and adjustability it provides justify the extra cost for committed users. Want unrivaled brightness and true-to-life tones on macOS? Stay tuned for the ultimate display experience. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have BenQ DesignVue PD2706UA, the best monitor for photo editing overall. Need a top-notch monitor for photo editing? BenQ's DesignVue PD2706UA stands out as the best option. After extensive testing, I found this monitor an excellent fit for creative professionals. First, the ergonomic C-clamp design really shines. It saves space on your desk and lets you adjust the monitor to your ideal position easily. Connectivity won't be a hassle either. With HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB-C port, it handles every need swiftly. A built-in USB hub with 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C port adds to the convenience, making it effortless to connect various devices. Bright, sharp visuals impress on the 27-inch 4K display. With a brightness of 350 nits, work appears clear and detailed during photo editing. Color accuracy stands out as well, covering 95% P3, 99% sRGB, and 99% Rec. 709. A Delta E score under 3 ensures your edits maintain fidelity. Dual View allows quick comparisons of different color spaces, which is invaluable for any project. For Mac users, seamless syncing without additional calibration is a significant bonus. While cable management makes setup tidy, some might find the initial connection process a bit cumbersome. However, once sorted, it keeps your workspace looking professional. This monitor offers exceptional value with its impressive features and ergonomic design. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best monitors for photo editing. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which monitor for photo editing you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.